on our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cook a magical fluffy omelette. It is a French souffle omelette. The souffle omelette is super fluffy and so soft and it tastes delicious. Now look at the recipe.
First, separate the egg yolks and the egg whites. Today I took 4 eggs to prepare this omelette. Now the egg white and the egg yolks are separated. Mix the egg yolk. Now add some salt to the egg whites and beat the egg whites until it becomes frothy and foamy. After 5 minutes it will be like this, and after 10 minutes you'll get your frothy and foamy egg whites. Now add the egg yolks. Mix everything very gently. Now heat butter in a pan with some oil. After the butter gets melted, add the beaten egg. Now close with the lid and cook the egg in very low flame for 2 minutes. It is a beaten egg, so it cooks very fast, so 2 minutes is enough. After 2 minutes the egg becomes so fluffy and soft, and now fold it and our French souffle omelette is ready to serve.
Must try this French souffle omelette and share your comments. If you like the video, press the subscribe button to get more interesting recipes, and see you all next time with another recipe. Until then, take care, bye bye.